National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for Grundy County in northeastern Illinois until 4:38 p.m. At 1:27, are you listening to me, you fat fuck covered in potato chips? Okay, I'll carry on. Where was I? At 1:27 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near. Listen to me or you will die, you stupid shit. A tornado is more important than your shit a show no one cares about. You know what? I'll just end the alert right here since you clearly can't pay attention to a tornado warning.